Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that every single time I post a video, you will be notified. So in this video today, I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows perfectly at home. So firstly, I'm going to brush my brows with a spoolie and then you can be able to see the extra hair which I have. I actually have very thin hair. That is the reason why you are not able to see that much hair, but it's like very thin, so you will be able to easily remove them. I'm gonna remove all my extra hairs as well as the hair present on my forehead. And the products which we require is a eyebrow pencil, a spoolie, you can use any sort of spoolie, and a tweezer as well as a razor. You can take any razor. This is the one which I got from Amazon. This is the twinkle razor. You get pack of 3. So now with the help of a eyebrow pencil, I'm gonna draw a eyebrow shape so that it's very convenient and easy for me to have that proper structure, so that I can just pluck out the remaining hair whichever is left, like the extra hair. Outlining your eyebrows is an important step because this way you will make sure that you are plucking out your only extra hairs, not the one which you don't have to. So this is the plucker which I am using, and this is the Vega plucker, so you can use any sort of plucker. If you are someone who is having like a sensitive skin and you're sensitive towards pain, then what you can do is you can take a ice cube and rub all over the eyebrow area wherever you're gonna pluck your hair. This way it will numb the area and it will make sure that you are not feeling any pain when you're plucking your hair. As you can see, I'm being very gentle and plucking the little hair which I have. So this is how the difference between both the eyebrows looks like. The one which I have cleared, like plucked all my extra hair, looks much more clear and natural, and you can easily say that you have done your eyebrows from a professional itself, not by yourself. You can also pluck the hair in between your eyebrows, but I personally prefer using razor on my top of the eyebrows as well as in the middle part of both the eyebrows, because that way it makes much more easier. Plucking your below the eyebrow hair is little easy to do that, but because you will not be able to see the little tiny hair on the upward, like towards the forehead, so I prefer using razor. So before using razor, I use a aloe vera gel. You can use any sort of gel, so this will make sure that you are not getting any bumps, because this is a common issue which I face, or maybe most of the people face, that when you use a razor there will be little bumps which are coming out, but that's like normal only. You will not face like a pimple issue. So you will have to be really gentle on your skin because you are using a razor. First start with your forehead, because that is the easiest part which you can do. Whenever you are coming closer to your eyebrows, be really careful and gentle, because you should not end up cutting your extra hair with including your eyebrow hair as well. And make sure that you are using another hand and pulling your skin upward, so that the skin is tight and you will be able to run your razor very easily. And the application of razor, like the smoothness of razor, comes much more better when you apply a gel. This way it will remove all your hair in a very smooth way. And you don't have to worry that you are using a razor, so maybe the hair growth which comes later will be thick or maybe something like that, because these are the razors which are made specially for the facial hair removal itself. So you will be able to remove the hair. And I have been doing this process. I have been using like razor from past 1.5 year. I haven't seen any thick growth of my eyebrow or maybe facial hair, so you don't have to worry about that. So now I'm gonna repeat the same process on my other eyebrow as well. I'm gonna increase the speed a little bit because I'm gonna repeat the same process. Now the same way I'm gonna do on the other eyebrow. First I was trying to pluck my hair, but then I thought, why not, I'll just show you how to do eyebrows with a razor as well. This is a little tricky part. You will have to pull your skin upwards very tightly. You will have to hold your eyebrow and make sure that you're keeping your fingers on your eyebrow hair, so that way you will have a boundary where you know that you are not supposed to go up towards upward, so that way it becomes very much easy. The best part about the razor is that you will never feel pain while removing your hair. It's like so easy, so painless. So that's the reason why preferring razor is so convenient. But the only thing is that the hair growth comes very fast compared to the plucker, because plucker or a tweezer will pluck your hair within your skin, but the razor will just cut your upper layer of your hair. And make sure that you are measuring the length of your eyebrows. Make sure the arches of your eyebrows are matching on both the eyebrows, and then reapply your aloe vera gel. You keep on applying because gel kind of gets dried quickly, so you just have to apply aloe vera gel frequently, so you will be able to remove your hair or use razor smoothly on your skin. It glides so smoothly. But guys, be gentle on your skin. I have increased the speed of this particular video on this portion, so that's the reason why it's showing that I'm doing it in a fast way, but it's not like that. Once you're done with doing your eyebrows, again you will have to apply aloe vera gel. This way you will make sure that there are no bumps coming out and your skin will have that soothing effect. And massage it all over your forehead. You can let the aloe vera gel sit on your forehead, or you can just wipe it off with a tissue or a cotton pad. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna again brush my eyebrows with a spoolie, and I'm gonna cut this portion of my hair, which is the extra hair. But make sure that you're cutting very little amount of, because it might change the whole game. At last, I'm gonna use a toner, and this is from Good Vibes, the pomegranate toner. This will make sure that your pores are closed, because if you use a razor, your pores get open. It's a kind of, you're doing scrubbing only, so this will make sure that all the pores are closed. So yeah guys, this is how I do my eyebrows at home. I don't go out to get my eyebrows from a parlor or a professional. I have stopped that long back. So yeah guys, this is how my final eyebrows looks like. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it is so, please hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.